Look, this cute,
ब्लॉग बनाता है.
very cute sister. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as we have come in this river, look, this river. Okay, we have come here to bed together with my friend, with my friends and with my sister and with my wife. Okay, my wife is sorry.
Okay, मैं शिकिले पर कोनो काम ना है लाहे लाहे शिकिबो आरो समय साथ अपनर अखम
down the river. You can see there very far from here. Okay, you can see two my sister, they are capturing photos. Look.
नया नया अको में मुई गान मारी आसे मुई बड़ा कोशिश करिसु.
Okay, and you can see there are lots of field here. We are the Chakma community. I'm even in mana I'm Hedguri.
नया नया अको में मुई गान मारी आसे मुई बड़ा कोशिश करिसु. ओके मैं शिकिले पर कोनो काम ना है लाहे लाहे शिकिबो आरो समय साथ अपनर अखम
You can say and this one. Look, this cute,
ब्लॉग बनाता है.
very cute sister.
Sonka.
ये क्या है? Bye bye खाता, bye bye.
What are your hobbies? What do you want to do in your life?
My hobbies was poetry.
मुझे नहर में नहाना पसंद है.
I ate night.
मेरे सारे दोस्त बहुत अच्छे हैं.
अच्छा.
इंग्लिश में.
Friend loving. My look this serious.
Oh, you look. Which class you are?
I am child.